Ridgetop Homestead. We took the DJI Spark and we tested its outer limits as far as its performance and how far I could fly it, and how well the radio signal from the controller to the drone would work. To fly up to this house, it was originally owned by my friend's grandfather, and I guess years ago by his father. I don't know how far back in the family it goes. But his mother had wanted to go up here to see the house, and it's rather remote, it's hard to get to. So with their permission, I decided to go ahead and fly the drone and try to get some video of the house and what was left of the barn, and put it together in a video, which is why this is a little bit out of sequence from some of the other videos that have started to come out, because this was edited during the trip. The DJI Spark was able to fly up there, had no real issues. It was right about the limit of what the radio controller could handle. Distance-wise was probably a mile, maybe a little over a mile, line of sight from where I was to where this was. And an altitude, according to the controller, was reading around 300 feet, 250 feet to 300 feet, maybe a little over 300 at the most. Fly time, I had about 12 minutes on the battery, and we were able to go up. I think we used 3 batteries total, and got some video of the house and the barn, and then we brought the drone back. And so how did the Spark perform? I thought it did great. Had no issues. Of course, we didn't crash, so that was a good thing. Definitely worked well.